Congratulations on making to the end of normalization series. In this lecture, we'll be doing a summary and recap of what we have studied. We began with the first normal form, which eliminates duplicate rows by ensuring atomicity. It establishes a primary key for unique identification of each record. When we break down a table with repeating groups into separate tables, first normal form is achieved. Then came the second normal form, which meets the 1NF requirements, and it ensures that non-key attributes are dependent on the entire primary key, not just a part of it. That is, it eliminates the partial dependencies. While splitting a table with composite primary keys into separate tables to remove partial dependency is a classical example. Then came the third normal form. It builds upon the second normal form requirements, and it aims to eliminate the transitive dependencies by removing the attributes that depend on the non-key attributes or non-prime attributes. It ensures that each attribute is dependent only on the primary key and not on any other non-key attribute. An example was moving the non-key attributes to separate tables to eliminate the transitive dependencies. Then came BCNF, Boyce called normal form, which is an advanced form that extends the concept of third normal form. It deals with the issue of functional dependencies where a determinant determines multiple attributes. BCNF requires that for every non-trivial functional dependency, the determinant must be a candidate key. This is a more stringent form of third normal form and ensures just further elimination of redundant data. Then we had the fourth normal form, which builds upon the third normal form requirements. In fourth normal form, we eliminated the multi-valued dependencies. It removes non-key attributes that are independent of the primary key but dependent on the other non-key attributes. Example, splitting multi-valued attributes into separate tables. Then came the last, fifth normal form, or project join normal form. It builds on the fourth normal form and eliminates the join dependencies. It removes the redundant joined operations by representing relationships with separate associative entities. By creating associative entities to handle many-to-many relationships and avoid join dependencies, or breaking down a table so that we can join that up using structured query language was an example. There are additional normal forms beyond fifth normal form, such as domain key normal form, DKNF, and sixth normal form, which are applicable to specific scenarios involving certain type of dependencies. The most commonly used ones are the first, second, and third normal form only. It's important to note that achieving higher normal forms beyond 3NF may not always be necessary or practical for every database design. The appropriate level of normalization depends on the specific requirements, complexity, and constraints of data being modeled. So, whatever normal forms we discussed in this lecture series are important, and up to third normal form are the most important when we are modeling the transactional database. Congratulations on completing the entire normalization series. Thank you for attending the lectures and see you in the next section.